Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Sean Ireton with the Nuinspiration Extraordinary Gentleman podcast. Today, I want to talk to you guys about body hair. Recently, I conducted a survey and polled about 17 people. 64 to 65% were female, about 35% were male. And what we did was break down these numbers and try to really hone in on what makes people tick about body hair. So whether you're single, you're married, you're straight, you're gay, all these numbers are applicable to you, and what I really wanted to do is get some data points around this stuff to help you trim down, get clean, get neat, and get the right kind of sexual attraction in your life from your partner or from dates, things like that. I just want you guys to be looking great. I want you to look extraordinary, feel extraordinary, be unstoppable. Okay, so I'm going to jump right into the survey results now. So the first question I asked was, do you think body hair on a man is sexy? 30% said yes. I love body hair. It's sexy. It's great. I love it. 70% said it depends on how much and where. So what I wanted to do was break that down. So I wanted to say, all right, with these two answers, what does that mean? So the first question within all of that was, how much does excess ear hair turn you off? And it was on a scale of 0 to 100. 100 being the most turned off, the most uncomfortable. The average number people responded with was 73. So they really don't like ear hair. The next question was about nose hair. So how much does nose hair turn you off? 0 to 100. 100 being the most turned off, the most uncomfortable. People responded with an average number of 83. The next question was about back hair. How much back hair does it turn you off on a scale of 0 to 100, 100 being the most turned off? The average number people responded with was 76. And how much chest hair are you comfortable with? This one's a little bit different. 0 to 100, 100 being the most comfortable. People responded with an average number of 71. So 71% of your front torso, your chest area can be covered with body hair, and people will be comfortable with that. So keep it trimmed to that point. And the age ranges for this sample size was, 76% were 25 to 35. 12% were ages 35 to 45, and another 12% were ages 45 to 55. So what I'm going to do now is go back into those numbers now that we know them, and I'm going to give you some advice and some tips on what to do about these areas. So the most important piece here is the chest hair. Like I said, keep that chest hair to that trim 71% range. So if you've got a lot there, we don't want you to look like Steve Carell in 40-Year-Old Virgin, right? So we want to make sure that you are trimming that chest area clean, keeping it to that 71% range of how much hair you have on your chest. That'll keep things looking clean and neat. With back hair, get it shaved, get it trimmed, get it waxed, do whatever you have to do to just get rid of it. That's pretty gross to people. And nose and ear hair. These are the grossest areas for people. Keep that stuff nice and trim, nice and neat. Do not let any of that ear hair show. With these areas, all you really have to do is go to Nordstrom's probably, but Marshall's or Ross. You can find those really cheap little trimming kits, and then go on Google and search for how to trim those areas, and you're set. Like, it's easy peasy. Don't have to worry about a thing. So that's what you can do about those different areas. So if you have any questions, let me know. Leave a comment here on YouTube, or send me a tweet on Twitter. Ask me your questions. If you're on Anchor FM, go ahead and do a call in or leave me a comment here as well. I'd be happy to answer any questions that you have. And again, this is Sean Ireton with the Nuinspiration Extraordinary Gentleman podcast. Please subscribe, share, like if you enjoyed this content. And looking forward to having you on the next episode. And I'll talk to you soon.